Nueva Vizcaya is the gateway to Cagayan Valley. Yet many of our youth use that gate to leave for Manila or abroad because they see no future in farming. As our queen, how will you convince a farmer's daughter that the onion fields of Aritao are a land of opportunity, not a cycle of poverty? Ang Nueva Vizcaya ang gateway to Cagayan Valley, pero marami sa ating mga kabataan ang lumalabas sa pintuang ito para mag-Manila o mag-abroad dahil wala silang nakikitang kinabukasan sa pagsasaka. Bilang ating magiging reyna, paano mo kukumbinsihin ang isang anak ng magsasaka na ang mga bukid ng Aritao ay lupain ng oportunidad at hindi siklo ng kahirapan?
It is true that farming is part of our identity. It is part of our culture. But before we introduce farming to our youth and promote farming to our youth, let us first fix the system. Let us first make farming a sustainable livelihood for our farmers. If, as a binibini, I can use my voice to have meaningful conversation with organizations, with our local government unit, because I believe that they are the people that have the resources to fix the system of farming. And I firmly believe that our farmers are the backbone of our community. Dahil sa bawat binhi na kanilang tinatanim, may magandang bukas naman.
Time's up.
I would convince a little girl's farmer by saying that the problem is not actually in her mindset, but it is actually in the system. We have to make farming a more dignified and a more sustainable career in the grassroots level, because it is ironic that farmers themselves encourage their children to go to school and to finish school so that they can work in air-conditioned offices. And I would like to use my voice to reinforce the very existing laws, like the Magna Carta for small farmers and the innovations that they can inculcate in the implementation of our laws. Because I stand here not as a voice, because I want to ensure that everyone is galvanized to be deeply rooted and to have layers of stories, culture, and innovation that symbolizes the very onion that Aritao is proudly representing.